Hi, what is asterisk args in Python? We know that the receiving set of arguments must match the number of arguments being sent during the function call. Now, what if we want to send an uncertain number of arguments during function call? Like in this example, we're trying to send two pieces of elements, but on the receiving end, I'm trying to receive one, and that is why it is showing me an error. Now, to how to solve this problem? The solution is just put an asterisk before the variable. Now, if I run it, we see that these two elements are being received by this variable x as a tuple. Okay, so when I print x, I see the elements high and there, and if I print the type of x, I say it's of tuple. Now, what is args? Args is nothing but a variable name, but we use args as a convention. Okay, so we can use any variable here we want, but by convention, it is better to use args. So let's replace x with args. Let's run it again, and there you go.